Welcome to Boxcode. In this video, we will perform one program in Java. So, let's start it. First of all, we learn the question of the program. Write a Java program which accepts two strings. Merge both strings using alternate characters of each one. For example, if string 1 is very and string 2 is good, then result should be like that. So, let's create a program. First of all, we import the scanner class from the java.util package. After that, we create a one class which name is pro. In this class, we create a one method with the two parameter as a string. Here, we declare the StringBuilder for merge the multiple string. After that, we declare the I and j. After that, we declare one more class and extends the pro class into this class. Here, we declare the class as a main class which is executed first. Here, we take the two strings from the user. After that, we declare the object of parent class. Our program is ready for run. So, save the program and run the program. Here, we compile the program. After that we run the program. Our program is successfully run. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will solve some other program. So, subscribe the channel for more video. Like, share, subscribe, comment.